Hello guys. Hi Mom.
Hey, how's it going?
So it is Super Bowl Sunday. We're pre-gaming here at Target. What, you think it's funny?
Oh, we're getting so lit right now with hot dogs, water, and soda.
What would you be doing? Oh, you think that's funny? What would you be doing if you had no kids right now?
Oh, I'd literally be pre-gaming. We gotta buy a car seat.
Car seat. Hi Preston. Hi Lincoln Chew. How's it going, you guys? How's it going, you guys? What? I'm right here. Alright, so we're at Target pre-gaming for Super Bowl Sunday. You know, we're going hard, buying car seats, drinking soda and water. And anyway, so we actually have to buy a car seat for Lynx because they came down after Hawaii. And we're just gonna hang out for a few days before they head to Vegas for Lynx's birthday. And that's it, you guys.
Wow.
You're so dramatic, P. Is that Barney? Is that Barney? What?
Mommy.
What's going on, kids? Guys, I'm just imagining my life with 2 kids right now. Yep, my life with 2 kids, guys. Tearing up the toy section in Target. I heard having 1 kid is having 1 kid. 2 kids is a zoo. Guys, we cleaned it all up except for that one. They're still playing with it. Come on guys, let's go. Are you guys ready? Clearly you're ready. Okay, bye. Bye Preston, Mama Dia. Alright guys, it's almost game time. What happened? We got our car seat back there. What's wrong with your iPad? You need help? Nothing? No? You got it? What's Preston doing? We got our car seat, we got our snacks, everything that we needed. Now we're gonna go buy fruit because we gotta go to a friend's house for the Super Bowl party. We're actually going, okay?
We're gonna actually party, guys. Don't be jealous. Wait, did I get the beers?
Wait, where are the beers?
Oh, I think they're in the back seat.
Wait, there's a car coming. Okay, let's get out of here. So how has your life changed since becoming a mother?
Oh, it's great. I'm happy.
So all the times that you made fun of people?
Oh, when we used to talk shit? Who, me or us?
No, you. I never did.
Anyways, I remember when I was younger, and I was riding on the plane and I had to sit next to 2 children. I was like, headphones, and I was like, flight attendant, wine please.
And now?
Now I'm like, man, I feel so bad when they cry.
You're like, you know, their ears hurt.
I know, like their ears hurt. Yeah, they're not feeling good.
They can't help it.
They're
imagine
hungry.
how they feel.
Yeah, imagine how they feel. Now I feel through them. But before, wine please. But not anymore.
Tragic.
When I hear kids cry, I'm like, oh my God. I feel so
I need to
bad
help
for
them.
I know.
Show everyone your nails. They're just
No. We painted her nails the same time. She has no chips.
I have a little one.
But these are mine. Like I ate them.
Mine are. I have a little chip right here.
She's annoying. And my nails broke. 5 of them broke.
What did you do?
I don't know. Nothing. I did the same thing you did. Morning, guys.
Good morning.
We is out today. Here, how do I do this?
It's 1 p.m. We're barely leaving the house. It's all right.
But we've been up since like 9 o'clock.
It's all right. It's all good. We've got 2 kids. They're dressed. They're clean. They're
eaten.
Full. Their
They're
diapers are changed.
Yep.
Everything's good. Now all we have to do is get ourselves.
It's only 7:30 p.m. That's fine.
Yummy, huh? You want? No? Okay. Give it to Auntie, please. Okay.
What do you want?
He doesn't want it.
You don't want it? Okay.
Thank you. Okay. So we are heading downtown right now. We're going to the mall. We're eating. Because we're hungry. Obviously, it's 1 o'clock. What'd you eat today already?
Oh, flaming hot ruffles.
Do you like them?
I do. I wish I had salsa.
No, I wish they were spicier.
Yeah, but you know, like with like ruffles, like you really can't. You can only do so much. I think you're just used to hot Cheetos. You know, you get the full flavor effect. But you got ridges in the
okay,
ruffles.
but they're flamin' hot Cheetos or flamin' hot ruffles. So straight. You're fine. You're good. You're good. So I feel like they should be flamin' hot ruffles. And
I like them.
They're not flamin' hot.
I like them.
Anyways, so how excited are you to go downtown?
I'm so excited.
To
Guys,
go to the mall?
if you guys live in Seattle, I love it here. It's such low maintenance.
Like what leggings should I wear today with
Should
what
I wear
hoodie?
the black ones or the extra black ones? Or should I wear the faded black ones?
The ones with the holes, because no one's gonna see me.
Yeah.
Or just the thick Lululemon ones.
Wait, so should I wear the dark green hoodie or the gray one? Because yesterday I wore the black one and then, you know, I think someone saw me in those. So.
Yeah. So clearly, these are our outfits.
I like it.
Just chilling.
This is me.
This is you.
It's me. Like, it's either island or it's real cold. You know what I'm saying? You can't be in between.
Alright, we'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Hey, y'all. Hi. You didn't even nap, dude. What are you getting to eat? Huh, Preston? La lega? La lega? Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Hi, Lincoln Shoe. Hi. Hi, Preston. Hi, Lincoln. Nice one, please. Nice one, please. No? Okay. Alright, monkey. Alright, guys. We made it downtown. We're finally eating. Well, we just ordered. It's 2:30. That's mom life, you know? Lincoln got a little nap in. P didn't sleep at all. So hopefully he'll sleep in a bit. He'll probably sleep on the way back. So we're eating at Cheesecake Factory downtown. Super gourmet stuff, I know. And then we're gonna head to Nordstrom's and shop a little bit. Yum. I got the sweet corn tamale.
Oh, and a small plate.
Burger. We're okay.
I think we're good.
Good? Thank you. Okay. Spaghetti and meatball over there. You got your fried chicken, strips. Yeah? we've decided to make a very gourmet Thai dinner.
Made from scratch.
We slaved all day in the kitchen. Are you ready to eat? Good morning, or should I say afternoon. It's 1 p.m. and we are headed out, taking the kids to Wiggle Works for them to hang out. We're gonna wear them out so we can relax a little bit when we get to the place.
We're going straight or?
You go straight.
What up, guys?
What to do?
Today we got out of the house a little bit earlier.
12:30.
Yeah.
That's an accomplishment.
You know what? Get a mother and her kid out by noon and call it a day. That's a good day.
Before 10, you are overachiever. You're an overachiever.
Get a medal, a trophy. Okay, left and right.
Right. You know, but some people, they get up like super early, like 7.
Yeah, like they're normal people. Get their children out by like, get up by 7:30. Ours is like rolls around like 10:30.
It's okay. You know, every family is different. Every family dynamic is different, you know?
Wait, right or left?
Right. So, yeah. We're gonna Wiggle Works right now, guys. Gonna hang out. I got the hot chocolate and got a cappuccino. Work it, girl. Work it. I see you.
Anti-social.
There are kids here, okay?
Should it be like this?
Come on, Lincoln. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Woo! Hey guys. It's been such a successful day. How do you feel? The kids are knocked out. That one still has his hand in a bag of chips, and that one's so passed out. They are exhausted, you guys. Mission accomplished.
You did good today.
Hey guys, it's about 6 o'clock and I am making some dinner right now. I'm making some ganjua with gakao today. And I'm not doing the traditional ganjua, which is like a tom yum, Vietnamese tom yum soup. I'm using pompano instead of catfish because I don't like catfish. And I'm doing gakao, which is braised catfish, but I'm not using catfish. I'm using salmon instead. So I've already gone ahead and marinated the salmon. And I know you guys always ask me to do like a cooking series, but I don't know how to do cooking videos. So I'll try my best to like walk you guys through this. But I've already marinated it and I'm using cocoa soda to braise the fish. Get the whole can. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I already put in the coconut soda and now I'm gonna add some fish sauce. I'm also gonna do a little bit of soy sauce. Soy sauce. And maybe a little pinch of this. This is oyster sauce. And then just let it braise. All done. My gakal, use salmon. And then this is my ganchua lao. Yummy. You guys, look what we just got. The Mamaroo. Mamaroo, Mamaroo, Mamaroo. Present, yay, yay, yay. Back, 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 back. Are you excited about it, bud? Are you excited? Okay, giúp mommy mở ra. Come on, xuống giúp mommy mở. Good job. Come on. What are you doing? Present, xuống con. Come on. Mở ra. Mở này ra. Ready? Wow! Again? Come on. Oh, 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 oh. What the? Come help Mama. Come help Mama. Got it? Wow! Good job! Để vô đây nè. Present cho mommy. To mommy, please. Thank you. Oh! Okay. Mara. Got it? Uh-oh, come back. Do you like it, Kaki? Did it? Yeah! Thank you, Preston. Thank you. Okay, guys, we're all plugged up and ready to go. Preston's gonna give it a test run. Okay, you ready? Okay. You ready? Here, pencil. Relax. You got it, sir? Are you ready? You like it, Bee? Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I was debating between working on the Hawaii vlog to put up today or just the regular Wednesday vlog, but I know that editing the Hawaii vlog would take a lot longer, so I figured I'm gonna do the regular vlog and then work on the Hawaii one and put that up whenever I can, because that takes a little bit more creativity. So yeah. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that I will be hosting a Mamaroo giveaway, and you can get all the details on my Instagram. It's at House of Color. The giveaway will go live tomorrow, so be sure to check out my Instagram if you guys want to win your own Mamaroo.